Paying your apparel suppliers is a big deal. So let's open the playbook on how to do it safely.
You know, this one decision, it carries the biggest financial risk in sourcing, but it's often overlooked.
Okay, so how do you actually pay them without losing your money? Let's dive into the options.
Getting this right is absolutely crucial. It's how you protect your business from some really big losses.
First, you've got TT, or Telegraphic Transfer. Think of it like a direct bank wire, super fast. Then there's the LC, a letter of credit. It's basically a secure escrow service run by the banks.
So, it really boils down to a classic trade-off. What's more important to you, speed or security?
Now look at this. What's super clear here is who carries the risk. And with TT, it's you.
Right. So with TT, since you're carrying the risk, supplier verification is an absolute must-do. No excuses.
With an LC, it's different. The process is the risky part. One tiny error can cause huge delays.
But don't worry, you can make that fast TT option much safer. It's all about smart negotiation.
And for LCs, it's pretty simple. Clear communication before you start prevents those expensive delays down the road.
So what's the pro move here? Well, it's not about picking just one. It's about being flexible.
Here's how that works over time. This is your roadmap for balancing speed with safety as you grow.
See, this way you get the speed of TT for small stuff and the rock-solid security of LC for big orders.
Ultimately, it's about taking control. That's how you protect your business and really win at sourcing.